Dear students, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals, exercise 3.1, question number 4. What can you say about the angle sum of convex polygon with the number of sides? In our last video, I write down a formula of angle sum of a polygon. Now, angle sum of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180, n is equal to number of sides. So, the number of sides is first question 7. So 7 minus 2 into 180, 5 into 180, 5 into 180, 0, 5 adds 40, 5 and 4, 9. So this is over 900 degree. Part B, angle sum of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180, n is 8, 8 minus 2 into 180, 6 into 180, 0, 6 adds 54. Now 6 and 5, sorry 6 adds 48, 6 plus 4 10. So angle sum of polygon having 8 sides is 1080. Part C, angle sum of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180, n number of side is 10, 10 minus 2 into 180, 8 into 180, 0, 8 adds 64. Now 8 plus 6, the answer is 1440. The next is n. So D part, angle sum of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180, n is equal to number of sides. In this formula, number of sides is n, so this is our answer, n minus 2 into 180. Let us take beginning from this question. What can you say about the angle sum of convex polygon with number of sides? We having a formula of angle sum of polygon is n minus 2 into 180, the n is number of side. First question, number of side is 7, 7 minus 2 5, 5 into 180 900. In second question, number of side is 8, so 8 minus 2 into 180, 6 into 180 1080. In the third part, number of side is 10, 10 minus 2 into 180, 8 into 180 1440. Now number of side is n, so in formula number of side is n, n minus 2 into 180. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 5. What is a regular polygon? Answer, regular polygon. If a polygon having equal sides and equal angles. All the sides are equal, all the angles are equal, then it called a regular polygon. If any polygon having all equal side and all the angles are equal, then called regular polygon. Name of regular polygon. First is 3 sides. If any polygon having 3 sides called triangle, is called triangle, but this is our regular polygon. If a polygon having 3 sides, then by the 3 sides we can draw a triangle, but if the all sides is equal means regular polygon, it called equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Second is 4 sides. If a triangle, if a polygon having 4 sides called quadrilateral. If a polygon having 4 sides called quadrilateral, but all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal, then this called square. Next is 6 sides. If a polygon having 6 sides this polygon having 6 sides called hexagon, but if all sides are equal called regular hexagon. This is our regular hexagon. Now take beginning from this question. What is a regular polygon? If a polygon having all sides equal and all the angles are equal, called regular polygon. Name of regular polygon having 3 sides. If any polygon having 3 sides called triangle, but the all sides and all angle is equal, name is equilateral triangle. If a polygon having 4 sides called quadrilateral, but if the 4 sides and 4 angles are equal, called square. If a polygon having 6 sides, name is hexagon, but the all sides is equal, called regular hexagon. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 6. Find the angle x in the following figure. Find the value of x. This is our quadrilateral. The angle sum of quadrilateral is 360. Angle sum of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. N is number of sides. Now sum of angles is 50, 130, 120 x. N is number of side is 4, then 4 minus 2 into 180. 50, 130, 180, 180, 120, 300. 300 plus x is 4 minus 2, 2 into 180, 360. Now transposing 300, 360 minus 300, x is equal to 60. This is our answer. So this is a quadrilateral. We use the angle sum property. Angle sum of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. N is number of sides, 1 2 3 4, 4 sides. 4 minus 2, 2 into 180, 360. The angle sum is 50, 130, 120, and then x. Addition of these is 300. Now transposing this, 360 minus 300, x is equal to 60. This is our answer. In this, find the value of x. X 70, 60. This angle is also missing. Name of this angle is y. For finding the value of y, first of all, we know that linear pair angle sum is 180. The angle sum of linear pair is 180. So here this symbol is 90-degree angle. So 90 plus y is equal to 180. Then y is equal to 180 minus 90. Then y is equal to 90. So y is an angle of 90 degree. Now angle sum of quadrilateral, angle sum of quadrilateral is 360. In previous question, this is a quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral. The angle sum is 360. So angle sum of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now we will add the angles. First of all, y is 90, 90, 60, 70, x is equal to 360. Now adding these, 90 plus 60, 150, 150 plus 70, 220, 220 plus x is equal to 360. Now transposing 220, x is equal to 360 minus 220. So x is equal to 140. The answer is 140. Now taking beginning from this question, this is our a quadrilateral. X 70, 60, fourth angle is missing, so we name this angle is y. Now this is a linear pair angle. The sum of linear pair angle is 180. This symbol is 90-degree angle. So 90 plus y is equal to 180. Y value is 90. Angle sum of quadrilateral is 360. Now adding 90, 60, 70, x. 90, 60, 70 plus x is equal to 360. By adding these, we get 220. Now transposing 220. So 360 minus 220, answer is 140. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. The question is, find the angle x, find the value of x. In this diagram, 1 2 3 4 5 sides. This is 5 sides, so this is a pentagon. Now these two angles are missing, so we will name this angle y and z. The angle is y and z. First of all, we will find the value of y and z. Y, at this point, this is a linear pair angle. Sum of linear pair angle is 180. So 70 plus y is equal to 180. Transposing 70, y is equal to 180 minus 70. The y is 110. We find the value of y. Now for finding the value of z, sum of linear pair angle is 180. Now z plus 60 is equal to 180. Now transposing 60, z is equal to 180 minus 60, z is equal to 120. We will find the value of z. Now angle sum of polygon equal to n minus 2 into 180. Now angle sum is x plus y plus z plus x plus 30 is equal to n is number of side 1 2 3 4 5 minus 2 into 180. X, the value of y 110, the value of z 120, then x, then 30 is equal to 3 into 180. Now x plus x, 2x, by adding these 30 120 150, then 260, 2x plus 260 is equal to 54. 18 into 3 54, then 540. Now transposing this, 2x is equal to 540 minus 260, 2x is equal to 280. Now this is multiply by 2, so by cross multiplication this will be divided by 2. 280 divided by 2, x is equal to 140. The value of x is 140. In this question, angle sum of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now the angle sum, x plus x plus x plus x plus x, x 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5 times, n is number of side 1 2 3 4 5 minus 2 into 180. This is over 5x, 3 into 180, 3 into 180, 540. Now we will divide by 5. 540 divided by 5. After dividation we get 108 degree. This is our answer. Now take beginning from this question. Find the angle x. In this diagram, two angles are missing. We will name these y and z. First of all, for finding the value of y, this is our linear pair angle. Sum of linear pair angle is 180. So 70 plus y is equal to 180. Now transposing 70, so then 180 minus 70 is 110. For finding the value of z, these are linear pair angle. Z plus 60 is equal to 180. Transposing 60, answer is 120. Now angle sum of polygon, the formula is n minus 2 into 180. Angle sum, x plus y plus z plus x plus 30, n minus 2, n is number of side 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 minus 2 into 180. The value of y is 110, value of z is 120, x and 30. Now 110 120, by adding these 230 plus 30 60, 260, x and x 2x, 3 into 180 540. Now we will transposing this, get 280. Now cross multiplying of 2, this is multiplied by 2, so we will divide by 2. answer is 140. The value of x is 140. In our next question, angle sum of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. N is number of side is 5. Angle sum x 5 times x, 3 into 180, 540. This is multiplied by 5, so we will divide by 5. Answer is 108. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 7. First, find x plus y plus z. In this diagram, this is a triangle. Here x, y, z. X, y, z are exterior angle. In previous video, I said that the exterior angle sum of any polygon is 360. So the answer will be 360. Now we will prove this. First of all, this is a triangle. In this triangle, third angle is missing. So we will name this angle P. Now the name of this angle is P. We know that angle sum of triangle is 180. So 30 plus 90 plus P is equal to 180. 30 90 P. This is over 120 plus P, 180. P is equal to 180 minus 120. P is equal to 60. The value of P is 60. Now we will find the value of x, y and z. For finding the value of x, the angle sum of linear pair is 180. So 180 minus 90 is 90. The value of x is 90. Here is a 60, linear pair by 180. So this is 120. Here is a 30. So this will be 150. Using linear pair angle x is equal to 90. Using linear pair angle y is equal to P is 60, so y is 120. Using linear pair angle z is 150. 180 minus 90 90, 180 minus 60 120, 180 minus 30 150. We will find the value of x, y and z. Now in our question is find x plus y plus z is equal to, the value of x is 90 plus 120 plus 150. X plus y plus z is equal to 90, 120, 210 plus 150, 360. The answer is 360. Now in this question, this is your quadrilateral. The angle sum of quadrilateral is 360. Fourth angle is missing. We will name this P. Angle sum of quadrilateral is equal to 360. P plus 120 plus 80 plus 60 is equal to 360. P plus 120, 80, then 60. P plus 120, 80, 200, 260. 260 is equal to 360. Now transposing. P is equal to 360 minus 260, P is equal to 100. The value of P is 100. Now we will find the value of X, Y, Z and W. X, Y, Z and W are the exterior angle. The exterior angle sum is 360. Now prove this using linear pair angle, the value of X by linear pair of angle. This addition will be 180. So 180 minus 120, 60. Using linear pair angle, Y is 80, then 100. 100 plus 80 is equal to 180. Using linear pair angle, Z is 60, then this is 120. Using linear pair angle W, P is 100, this is 100, then this is 80. The question is find X plus Y plus Z plus W. The value of X is 60, 100, 120, 80. X plus Y plus Z plus W. 60 plus 100, 160, 120, 80, 200. So X plus Y plus Z plus W is equal to 360. This is our answer. Now take beginning from this question. Question number 7. Find X plus Y plus Z. X, Y and Z. Here is a triangle. This angle is missing, so we will name this angle P. The angle sum of a triangle is 180. So 3090P. 3090 plus P is equal to 180. 3090 120, transposing 120, get answer of P is 60. The P is 60. Now using linear pair angle, find the value of X. In the linear pair angle, the sum is 180. So 180 minus 90 is 90. The value of X is 90. Here is 60. 180 minus 60 is 120. Here 30. 180 minus 30 is 150. Question is find X plus Y plus Z. The value of X is 90, value of Y is 120, value of Z is 150. Adding these, get 360. Now in this question, find X plus Y plus Z plus W. Here is a quadrilateral, 60, 80, 120. This is missing. Missing angle is P. Now angle sum of quadrilateral is 360. So P 120, 80, 60. Sum is 360. By adding these, we get 260. Now transposing, get answer of P is 100. The P is 100. Now we will find the value of X, Y, Z and W. At X, this is our linear pair angle. So 180 minus 120, 60. X is 60. At this, 180 minus 80 is 100. Y is 100. 180 minus 60, 120. Z is 120. P is 100. 180 minus 100, 80. W is 80. Now question is find X plus Y plus Z plus W. X plus Y plus Z plus W. The value of X is 60, 100, 120, 80. By adding these, we get 360. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take next exercise in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.